Hello, hi. Okay, today we unboxing HG from Kyoukai Senki. Actually, this is a very long time ago lah. I built a HG from Kyoukai Senki. So this also from 2021. So very old. See the box already damaged like this. So this one around 100 ringgit. It's a Brady Phantom HG, but the scale is 172, not 1144. So the different scale for Kyoukai Senki HG. So the box art up front. This is a main unit lah. As if you remember this one, wireless Kembu. So the Brady Fox is a Brady Phantom. It's a front view and rear view. So we got a gimmick here, the weapon, multi cutlet, sword, and we have park state. Can transform to park state right here. So see what inside first. Manual here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack. 5 pack and price is 100 only. Right now 3 pack also 100. So manual is very dirty, sorry for that. Okay, so here we got some parts we will not use. You see here you got a XXX, the parts not used. So if you already finished and you see got extra parts, you can go back here to make sure the correct part. Then start with the legs. We will build 2 sets, then only the upper part is differentiate the left and the right. Then waist, simple. Body is quite complicated. Very many steps for the body, right? Then these are the arms, same for left and right arms. See, they don't have the finger. I got a finger. Okay, the right arm complete. This are 2 set for arm. Then at below they show the right arms. Right arms is like got a shield and claw. Then this left arm. Also got a shield and claw. The menu is confused. They go back here. Usually they start with a color. The starting will be the color, but this one at the end they got the color. Shoulder stabilizer. This connect with from body and the arm. And this got weapons, sword, and rifle here. Then this one transformation from the normal state to the landing form. This unit information, shoulder stabilizer, sword, and multi cutlet. Then they have a color guide if you want to paint. Then this park stack. because it's a bit not very Gundam like, so I'm not very sure which part is for what. So this is G1 runner. Then we got here G2. So we put like this. Don't have G1. No, it's not like repeat parts. No, it's like different parts. G1 and G2. Next, this one B1 and B2 is this one you can see the repeat part. So mostly for leg or arm, they got left and right parts. This one. Got A2 and A1. Then this one repeat, because maybe something like this is for inner frame. Next, I got D1 for armor, D1, and this C1 for armor. Last pack, A3, got A1, A2, this one A3. I think A1 dengan A3 is same parts, so mostly for left and right parts like a leg and arms or maybe shoulder. Then this is a G3. You got a G1, so the repeat part for G1, so easier for you to like arrange like this. If a runner is exactly the same, we will put together, so easier to do the assemble later. So that's all for unboxing Kyoukai Senki HG Brady Phantom. Okay, thank you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.